Hello students. The next topic of this chapter is interest on debentures. How we can calculate this interest on debentures. Interest on debentures is calculated at a fixed rate on its nominal value payable quarterly, half yearly or yearly as per the terms of issue. At the time of issue itself, it is clearly mentioned in the prospectus the rate of interest that is payable quarterly, half yearly or yearly basis. Then that rate of interest is calculated on its nominal value. Rate of interest is prefixed to the debentures, say 9% debentures. This 9% debentures means the rate of interest of that particular debenture is 9% and therefore is payable even if the company incurs loss. Interest on debentures is a charge against profit. That means if a particular company has not earned profit on the particular year, then also they have to pay interest to the debenture holders. That's why it is called a charge against profit. Interest payment may be subject to tax deducted at a source. So, interest payment may be subject to tax deducted at a source, TDS deducted from the interest. Then, tax deducted at its source or TDS. The company paying interest on debentures deduct income tax on interest payable at the prescribed rate of TDS. The amount of tax deducted is deposited with the income tax authorities. That means this a particular company is paying interest to the debenture holders, then that interest some portion is deducted as an income tax. Then that tax is deducted at the source itself, that we call tax deducted at the source or TDS. So the deducted amount of this interest in the form of a TDS that is deposited with the income tax authorities. Then accounting entries. Entries for interest on debentures and tax deducted at the source are as follows. When interest is due and tax is ignored. When interest is due and tax is ignored, that time debentures interest or interest on debentures account debit to debenture holders account. At the time of interest is due, then this interest is giving to the debenture holders. So what is due? Interest is due. So interest is an expenses, so that is debited. So debenture interest or interest on debentures account debited to, it is giving to the debenture holders, so debenture holders account credited. When interest is due and TDS tax is deducted at the source, so tax entry and interest due entry both we have to write. Then debenture interest account debit, that means interest is an expenses in company's point of view, that's why debenture interest account debited. Then this interest is giving to in debenture holders, so debenture holders account credited, and to TDS payable account. This TDS, that means interest tax amount, is transferred to the TDS payable account. Then at the time of paying interest to the debenture holders, when interest is paid, debenture holders account debit to bank credit. Actual payment of interest on debentures, that time debenture holders account debit to bank account credited. Then when TDS is deposited in government account, at the time of depositing this tax deducted at a source, that is from interest, is deposited with the bank account, the government bank account, that time TDS payable account, at the time of due time, this TDS payable account we credited, and at the time of actual deposit of this TDS payable account we debited. Then TDS payable account debit to bank. Then one more entry in this, the transfer of interest on debentures to the statement of profit and loss account at the end of the year, one more entry is there, that is statement of profit and loss debit to debenture interest account. Statement of profit and loss, P&L account debit side we mention to debenture interest as a finance cost. So these are the different entries we have to pass at the time of interest on debentures.